conflict in the mind.
Unaware of the implications involved in deciphering life choices and decisions in our mind, where reality actually takes place, and yet fail to comprehend that in the process of reaching a conclusion, knowingly or unknowingly, there's abundant input, some of it obscuring the final outcome. It's like a very complex computer overloaded, and it is handled strictly by a single individual with no one else questioning its process. And so it would seem the derived conclusion of any subject matter is the correct one. After all, much thought was put into it, so the results are obviously right. Remember, it is real to you because all reality is only in the mind, and there are outside forces that take advantage and pleasure in clouding the information being imputed for the benefit of their own agenda that most of us are unaware of. We're keenly aware of historical deceptions, but the manipulation of electromagnetic frequencies via algorithms mesmerizing the individual with so much information that he displaces his natural reality with the infused one, giving the individual a new reality, and thus all newly arrived conclusions are from a new perspective. Remember, knowledge is the light in the darkness, not the darkness of the light. Peace and much blessing.
Subscribe and support our channel. ELTCO TV Worldwide. elticoworldwide.com. ETV.